Removing the rear bumper on the MK6 Golf. Start by removing both outer rear light assemblies. To remove the outer rear light assemblies on the MK6 Golf, all you need to do is, in the boot, pull down this trim, disconnect the wiring and turn this screw anti-clockwise. Then, if the car is equipped with rear mud flaps, then you'll want to take a look at the screws that will be at the bottom of these holes. Now, these holes will be full of mud and they'll need cleaning out to reveal the Torx screw at the bottom, which will be a T25 that also has room for a flathead screwdriver. These heads will be jammed with mud, so you'll probably want to use something sharp to get as much of the crud out as possible, because once you grind out the head on the screw, they'll become almost impossible to remove. Now, to give myself some room to make the video and also get a tool in, I've jacked the car up. Now, depending on what tools you have, you may not need to jack the car up, but you'll only have a very small gap here, so it is easier to have more room to get whatever tools you may have in. These are the tools that I have at the moment, and you'll be unscrewing the T25 screws from those two holes and one at the back. Once you've removed those three underneath, there'll be another. Now the mud flap will be held on just by this area here. Now, with the mud flap removed, you'll want to look higher up, and up here you'll have a Torx screw pointing down. Now, obviously that position there can be quite difficult to get to, and also the head will probably be full of muck as well. If I recall correctly, this might be a T20, slightly smaller than the other screws, so remove that one as well. And back underneath the car, there's another screw here, just holding this trim here to the bumper. Now, just under the centre of the bumper, there'll be another 2 Torx screws to remove, and at least you'll have plenty of room to get a normal Torx tool in. Repeat the steps necessary to remove the mud flap on the other side. Now, with all the screws removed from both sides and the mud flaps removed, you'll be able to have the side of the bumper, and on the top here, remove the clips, and then at this point you'll be able to unclip here using Bojo tip 1. Now, with both sides unclipped, all you'll need to remove is the wiring for the number plate light. Thanks for watching. I hope that this video has made the job much easier for you. If you could take the time to like and subscribe, that would be very much appreciated. And also I have many other videos on the MK6 Golf and various other vehicles. Thanks again.